Canoo hit with lawsuit by Supplier over alleged misleading production claims. Canoo Inc. CFO share sale signals strategic financial moves. EV startup Canoo Inc. is facing a lawsuit from Dana Limited, a key supplier of fully integrated drivetrain and electrified propulsion systems, alleging delays and misrepresentations in Canoo's production timelines. The supplier claims that Canoo's production and work under the agreement was significantly delayed, causing a major impact on its financials. Even after the termination of the contract, Dana claims Canoo has continued in its refusal to pay amounts, despite its efforts to negotiate a resolution of the parties' dispute in good faith. Last Friday, Canoo said it withdrew its guidance for revenue, manufacturing run rates, as well as the production and delivery of vehicles for 2024 and subsequent periods. EV startup Canoo Inc. is facing a lawsuit from Dana Limited, a key supplier of fully integrated drivetrain and electrified propulsion systems, alleging delays and misrepresentations in Canoo's production timelines. The supplier claims that Canoo's production and work under the agreement was significantly delayed, causing a major impact on its financials. Even after the termination of the contract, Dana claims Canoo has continued in its refusal to pay amounts, despite its efforts to negotiate a resolution of the parties' dispute in good faith. Last Friday, Canoo said it withdrew its guidance for revenue, manufacturing run rates, as well as the production and delivery of vehicles for 2024 and subsequent periods. Filed last week in Los Angeles Superior Court, the lawsuit claims that Canoo made overly optimistic projections regarding the launch of its EVs, leading to financial damages for Dana. On February 11, 2022, both parties signed a development and supply agreement for the development and supply of certain automotive electric vehicle parts and/or assemblies. 2 years later, in April 2023, Canoo and Dana amended the development and supply agreement. According to the lawsuit, Canoo was obligated to work jointly with Dana to design, develop and deliver a drive assembly for the Canoo Lifestyle Vehicle and the Lifestyle Delivery Vehicle programs, which are jointly referred to as the program. Dana stated in the lawsuit. Dana claimed that the EV startup failed to pay $1 million before June 15, 2023, $4.3 million to Dana until September 15, 2023, and another $4.3 million payment before November 15, 2023. The supplier said it issued multiple notices to Canoo regarding material breaches of their agreement, including demands for overdue payments, with written notices dated July 5, 2023, December 13, 2023, April 3, 2024, and August 2, 2024. Earlier this week, the company said on Thursday it secured approval for the final activation of its Oklahoma City operations as a foreign trade zone, FTZ, as it scales production for global customers. Canoo said last Friday it signed an equity distribution agreement with Northland Securities Inc. to sell up to $200 million of its common stock through an at-the-market (ATM) offering. Canoo Inc. CFO share sale signals strategic financial moves. Canoo Inc. CFO executes stock sale. Canoo Inc. Nasdaq. Goyev recently made headlines as Chief Financial Officer Greg Etheridge sold shares of the company. This transaction, reported through the latest SEC filings, involved the sale of 4.849 shares priced at $1.05 each, amounting to a total of $5.091. Understanding the share sale. The purpose of the sale was to address tax withholding obligations that arose from the vesting of restricted stock units. Following this transaction, Etheridge's ownership of Canoo shares remains substantial, with a total of 206.319 shares still in his portfolio. Such actions by company executives to manage tax liabilities are quite common, especially when it comes to equity awards, market reactions and company insights. Insider trading activities can influence investor perceptions and the stock's performance. A close look at Canoo reveals its niche in the motor vehicle parts and accessories sector. Although the company is incorporated in Delaware, it operates its business from Torrance, California. Recent company developments. In recent updates, Canoo has shown encouraging progress. The company reported impressive revenue growth of $605 for Q2 2024. alongside a remarkable reduction of 50% in cash outflows compared to the previous year. Additionally, Canoo secured a financial agreement with Yorkville, which provides a cash advance exceeding $25 million. This complements an existing prepaid advance agreement that allows for advances up to $100 million. Operational milestones in Oklahoma City. An important strategic achievement includes achieving foreign trade zone status for its Oklahoma City operations. This status is expected to lower bill of materials costs by 5% for imported parts, offering significant logistical and financial advantages. This move is part of a broader strategy aimed at optimizing Canoo's supply chain and alleviating the impacts of international tariffs. Analysts' outlook on Canoo's stock. Investment firms have taken note of these developments, with H.C. Wainwright maintaining a buy rating while Roth MKM holds a neutral stance but has adjusted the price target downward due to delays in production timelines. Furthermore, despite these advancements, Canoo's management has projected an adjusted EBITDA loss between $120 million and $140 million for the latter half of 2024, marking a pivotal time in the company's development, valuation and market positioning. As Canoo Inc. navigates the market, the latest insider transaction by CFO Greg Etheridge brings attention to the company's financial viability and stock performance. Current metrics indicate a market capitalization of approximately $85.32 million, reflecting the ongoing challenges the company faces in the highly competitive motor vehicle parts and accessories industry. Canoo's stock has plummeted over the past year, showing a total return decline of around 90.43%. Financial health indicators. Further insights reveal a troubling gross profit margin of -182.96% for the last 12 months up to Q2 2024, indicating that the costs of production surpass the generated revenue. Additionally, current liabilities exceed the company's liquid assets, posing liquidity risks and suggesting possible difficulties in meeting interest payments on its existing debt obligations. Anticipated sales growth. Despite these challenges, analysts remain cautiously optimistic about potential sales growth in the current year, which could signify a turning point for Canoo. Moreover, its stock trading around $1.05 shares suggests that while investor sentiment is cautious, it may present potential buying opportunities, as technical indicators, such as the RSI, indicate that it is in oversold territory. Exploring more insights on Canoo. For those interested in a more comprehensive analysis, additional insights covering Canoo's cash burn rate, stock volatility, and profitability expectations from analysts are available. These insights can provide further context regarding Canoo's current standing and market performance. Frequently asked questions. What prompted the recent stock sale by Canoo's CFO? The stock sale was executed to cover tax withholding obligations from the vesting of restricted stock units. What is Canoo Inc. known for? Canoo Inc. specializes in motor vehicle parts and accessories. How much revenue did Canoo report for Q2 2024? Canoo reported revenue of $605 for Q2 2024. What financial position is Canoo currently in? Canoo has faced challenges, reflected by a market capitalization of approximately $85.32 million and significant declines in stock performance. What recent milestone did Canoo achieve? Canoo achieved foreign trade zone status for its Oklahoma City operations, which will lower import costs significantly.